Now the tour that you can see right in front of us to our left, it'll be right in front of us when we get round the corner. Because of its shape, it's called Saddle Tour. Now just checking, we have got everybody back on, haven't we?
A bit late now.
People might on the way back, don't they?
At least they know where we're going anyway. I hope they're quick. They'll catch me going down the hill.
See a stone circle in front of you. A sheep.
You what, sorry?
Is that sheep?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Like a stone circle at first. Sheep, cows and ponies. Ponies in front of us, huh?
Yes, ponies in front of us, those of you that like ponies.
Me. Oh, look, on the road as well.
Little ones, one on the road. Yeah, there you go. There's a little one in. Yeah, apparently so.
All these older Sunday afternoon drivers that you're probably thinking,
Yeah.
what the hell is going on? Have we gone back in time or something?
Yeah. You see so much more in coach, don't you?
Yeah, we're going to carry straight down over Whitacombe Hill. The word coombe, which you find a lot in Devon, of course, simply means a valley. And if you carry straight on, as I say, we're going to bear around to the left. If you go straight on, that's to Hound Tor, and to a very famous place called Jay's Grave. It's a very sad story. A young girl got pregnant by the lord of the manor, and in those days, this is in the 18th century, in those days it was a shame, and she was ostracized by the village, and she eventually committed suicide, and they wouldn't allow suicide people to be buried in a churchyard, so she got buried where three parishes met, and that's a little bit for about a mile or so along the road to the right, and there's fresh flowers on the grave every day.
You know where that's gone? Fresh flowers on the grave every single day. Winter, snow, hail, rain, whatever. We've had cameras up there, and it's every single day. It's just, you go and see, it's so fresh. You think,
They're going down into Whitacombe.
Oh, beautiful.
The church you see